Alright guys, so if you guys got to this video, you are probably wanting to save the data for your time played script. Well, it's a pretty simple thing to do. Turns out that the data save is not in that script right now, so we're just gonna make a new script today. So go to the game. First of all, before we make a place and before you edit the script, you're gonna have to do some things in Roblox first. So go to the Create tab and find the game that has the time played thing, which is this one right here for me. Click the settings icon and click Configure Game. And then click this right here, Enable Studio to access to API services. This allows it so save scripts can work. And then go back to that settings icon, or if you go here, click the three dots and click Configure, not the game. Now go to Place, and then go to Games and click both of these on. And there you go. So now edit the game, which I already got that tab open here. And this is right here, my old game, right here. And then this right here is where we're going to do the save data. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to show here in the game. As you can see, the time is going up in this game. So now let's add the script. So add the script in the server script service, and then let's get this going with the data save. So local ds equals game :get service data store service :get data store save my data. Alright, and then game.players.player added :connect function plr. And then let's do just a wait little command there. And then local player key equals ID, and then the underscore .player.user_ID. Now let's do local save value equals player : wait for child leader stats : wait for child time played. Now this time played right here is the name of your currency that you put for the game. So this right here is the leader stats script. As you can see, the name for mine, I put time played. If you put like seconds, then in this script just change it to seconds or whatever the name it is. Then you can double enter down, then do local get saved equals ds : get async player key. And then if get saved, then save value equals get saved and then 1 with the angle bracket things, and then enter down, and then else local numbers for saving equals, and then in these brackets, the curvy brackets, do save value right there, and then enter down ds : get async player key, and then comma and space numbers for saving. And then you can keep these ends there and just press the arrow, the down arrow, to move down. And then enter down, then game.players.player, or spelling error, sir, game.players.player removing : connect function player ds : set async, and then in parentheses id underscore inside quotations .player.user_ID, and then a comma, and then the curvy brackets player.leaderstats time played, like this, value. So again, here, if you named it seconds, just put this to seconds. And if you have a space in your thing, this is why you put brackets there. So say it was seconds, you don't need these brackets, just do .seconds. But since I have spaces, we put them in the brackets and then do the quotations, right, like that. Now, if you have other currencies in your game, I will show you how to do those. So if you have cash in your game, let's just make right here under this local save value 2 equals player : wait for child. Make sure you spell everything right. Leader stats : wait for child cash. So if you got that, then enter down here save value 2.value equals get saved and then 2. And then down here, let's see, right here, just add a comma here, save value save val. Alright, just wait. I made a spelling mistake right here. Up here, save value to dot value like that. And then all the way down here, let's just add another comma, player.leaderstats.cache.value, and then you can just repeat that process for all of your leader stats that you have in your game. So now let's test this out. Now I don't think it works in Studio at first, so what you're gonna have to do is go to File, Publish to Roblox. You can do that a few times if you'd like, and then what you're gonna do, go back to Chrome, and then play the game. So you can refresh the page. So play your game, and now let's see if the time actually saves. So let's see what happens here. As you can see, the time is going up here on the top right hand side here. So let's just wait a few moments until that gets to like 30 or something. Alright, we got it to 30, so now what we can do is we can leave the game and try it again. So if it goes up higher than like 30, then it worked, and if it doesn't, we're gonna have to see. Yep, as you can see, it is higher than 30, so that means that this did work. Alright guys, so this is more of a bonus feature than anything, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it really with the extra stuff in there. So you can make a new leader stats down here, and alright, so you can make the leader stats, sorry about that there, but instance.new, and then int value leader cache.name equals cache, and then what's going on here? Got that wrong. Alright, now cache.value equals 0. Then you can go back to data save, and you can do all the steps we did earlier. Local save value 2 equals player colon wait for child leader stats colon wait for child cache. And then just make a new value here. Save value 2.value equals get saved, then 2. And then here you can add another comma, save value 2.value. And then down here, move your way down here, player.leaderstats.cache.value. And then publish it again and go back to the game, play it, and hopefully your time still saved with adding those new leader stats, which it should. So we should be back at like 40, yeah. So, and then the cache is there now.